toy? Where did you get that? Was that Santa? Did he come at night? Well, you got some nice toys, haven't you? Yes. You're such a happy girl, aren't you? Such a happy girl. Yes, you are. Hmm? You're so funny. Yes, you're so funny. You're lying in your lovely sofa bed and playing, aren't you? Yes. Such a funny girl, aren't you? Hmm? Yes. Wow. Baby, wow. I also want to have one like that. Yes. Yes. No. That's a sofa bed. Wow. Hello. Hello. Oh, it's my toes, baby. Yes. Such a sweet girl, aren't you? Yeah. No, the people who love Super Piggy. They love baby. Yes. You're such a sweet girl, aren't you? Yes. Yes. And a happy girl. Yes. Wow. I think that toy is mine. Yes. I think Santa mistaken. Should have been for me. Yes. I also want to have one like that. What's in there? Is that a tennis ball? Hmm? Yeah, I see what your plan is. You're gonna chew and chew until you get a ball out, yeah? Yes. Such a sweet girl, aren't you? Yes. It's playtime, Daddy. It's playtime. Mm-hmm. Yes. Hmm. Yes. Oh, what was that? Did you just... Yes, you did. I think you did. Yes. You're on a mission, aren't you? You're on a mission. Wow. Yes. Such a sweet girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes. You're a happy girl, aren't you? Hmm? Are you mama's girl or daddy's girl? Hmm? Yay. Whose girl are you? Are you mama's or dada's? Daddy's! I knew you all. Yes, I knew it. You're daddy's girl. Yes. Such a funny girl. Yes, you are a funny girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.